Okay, we doing an unboxing on the Cocco trimmers, and I will do a sound test with this and the Wahl HI Viz. Nice little details they have. It's the moment we all been waiting for. Some instructions. Alright, it's a power cord. I guess the other pieces, a little bit of guards, a little bit of oil. We'll need this oil. A brush. Adjustment tools. The power block. We also need this. And it's a nice base. Very nice base. Nice yellow. And we'll take C-type as well, in case this part goes flat. As you can see, it has like a tape on it. Got a peel tape off. Then turn it on. Wow. This is quiet. Let me know what you guys think. It's much more quieter.